What if I told you robots could make you funnier on social media? Well, buckle up because I just spent way too much time testing Ocoya, and honestly, my Instagram has never looked this good. Before we dive in, there's a special discount link in the description below that you definitely want to grab while it's still available. So what exactly is Ocoya? Think of it as your AI-powered social media assistant that writes your posts and schedules them. It's like having a witty copywriter and a super organized scheduler rolled into one slightly robotic package. The AI writer is surprisingly clever. I asked it to write a post about my morning coffee, and it came back with something about liquid motivation in ceramic form. I mean, come on. That's better than anything I've written in months. But here's where it gets really useful. The scheduling feature lets you plan content across multiple platforms simultaneously. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, you name it, Ocoya's got you covered. The interface is clean and intuitive, though I'll admit the AI sometimes gets a little too creative. Yesterday, it suggested I post about the existential crisis of a forgotten sandwich. Is it perfect? No. Is it going to save you hours of staring at blank screens wondering what to post? Absolutely. Don't forget to check out that discount link in the description. Your future, funnier social media self will thank you.